Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to be making slime because I got a couple more new ingredients. I got 2 different glues. I'm going to be using the School Elmer's glue. It's plain, which is great. And I'm going to be showing you how to not get caught doing it. So, what you're going to need is Tide, you're going to need Elmer's glue, obviously, and then you're going to need markers, and then you are going to need a bowl, and I forgot spoons, so I'll be right back. Okay, so the dishwasher is on, but I'll be back when I have my spoon. Okay, that took a while. My spoon is really hot. Give me 20 seconds to let this cool off, okay? Okay, guys. It's cooling off now. It's still kind of hot. It's only been like 3 seconds, 10 seconds, I think. So, let's start by adding some glue. Okay, so I'm only going to use this much glue for now. Okay, guys. So after you have this much glue, what you want to do next is you want to kind of stir it up to see how it's doing. As you can see, it's very liquidy at the moment. Yep, very liquidy. So next, you want to get Tide, and this part is very important that you don't mess up on, or your slime will turn out something that's not fun. But you want to add a little bit of Tide. You don't want to add that much. Okay, that's good enough. I've had previous fails making slime. So, yeah. You just want to mix it up, and as you can see, after mixing it up, it's already clumping together. Okay, guys, so it's turning blue though because of the Tide. I mean, you can use different stuff. Still wet, sticky and gloopy. Okay, guys, so it's about finished. So I think it's gonna lead a, because it's coming together really good. I think I may have added too much Tide to it. Okay, so I'm gonna try clumping it together with my hands. Okay, so it's coming together really good. it's turning. It's just gonna like slip out of my hand and break if I just pull it that hard like that. So yes, it's coming together really good. Still not perfect yet. Mine doesn't have to be perfect, but I prefer that you do something with it that makes it normal. Because if it's not normal, it's not going to turn out very good. Coming together very great. So now I was going to use orange food coloring, but I don't want to waste it because we're running out of the food coloring, stuff like that. So, yeah, this slime was definitely not a fail, and it was just really gloopy, I guess. I guess you could call it gloopy because, I mean, look at it. But otherwise, it's still fun to play with. Now, I think it's time to color it. So, what I do to usually color my slime is I use markers because, you know, my friend Elizabeth told me that it's easier to use markers, stuff like that. But, I'm guessing this is telling me that it still needs to be mixed a little bit. Okay guys, so it's turning out really, really, really good. And now it is actually done. And it's not gloopy like before. But it is still bluish and I'm still changing the color of it. Yeah, so basically, it's pretty good and it wasn't a fail either, so yes, slime is very good to play with. So when you go home, ask your parents if you can get some glue. My dad actually brought this glue for me, and I'm pretty sure you will get it. In my next video, I will be reacting to people. I will be reacting to slime relaxing slime videos. And I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget my big announcement is comment, share, like, and subscribe, and I will give you 3 subscribers. So it is very good, and it didn't mess up. Besides the point that it kept falling apart before. But yes. And it is very purplish now. As you can see, the container is blue, and how purple it is, you can tell the difference. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. And down below, put hashtag big announcement, and you will be the winner, and I will give you shout outs, because I haven't been giving shout outs since last year. So yes, put hashtag best, and you'll get a shout out on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. It's very sticky. That was really good. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video.